Oh, brother. If you were watching my how to remove or how to re-secure an existing toilet handle, you would have seen that I looked at this really quick then, and you know, the report from the wifey was she wants a new faucet. This faucet looks pretty good, and you know, I don't know how old it is. It's probably, the house is 19 years old, so it could be 19 years old. Seems to work fine, right? But these buttons, when you push this one, see how it flows out? You let go, it goes back in. And because of that, she wants this thing replaced. And I think it's because the water pressure is not going very hard. You notice that? Look at that. That's all the water pressure we have, but I know we've got more than that. Okay? I've looked underneath the sink, and I made sure that the handles were on all the way, and they're back in there. I'm not gonna check it again. Pretty sure those handles are all the way on. And my thought is, maybe something is blocking the aerator a little bit, because you should really get more water than this. I mean, this is plenty of water to wash your hands and to wash a few dishes now and again. Okay? But it's not coming out any harder than that. So I don't know where exactly I want you situated. I guess over here. And I'm thinking I'm just going to take this handle, this part off right here. By unscrewing this back piece here should come off with that. And this one seems to be on there pretty tight. I should be able to just unscrew this right there. See? Right like that. Now I can gently unscrew that. And sometimes, incidentally, sometimes you could get a call to say your sinks. Oh, there, that one pops off right there. Okay, others have a thread right there. Okay. And it cracks me up. Sometimes people will have a leak underneath their sink, and they'll think that it's caused. I'm going to leave this out like this because I want to make sure. I don't think this will go down through there. But I put a sink together, faucet together one time, and the hose went down there, and I had a heck of a time trying to get it back out. So I'm not going to trust this one. But anyway, if you have a leaky faucet and it's dripping and everything underneath the sink, it could be as simple as this fitting right here to this is just loose. So you want to make sure you check on that, because I've fixed a few faucet leaks before that way. And I'm looking in here. Let's look in here. It looks all clean. Let me see if we can't pull that apart. Let's look at this again. I was hoping maybe there might be a little stone or pebble or something in there causing it to not run properly, but you see the aerator's up here, and I don't know if I can get that apart by unscrewing this top or not. I mean, I might try it with a pair of pliers, but before I even mess with that, remember I said that, remember you saw how much water pressure was coming out of here. Let's turn this on. Let's turn this on and see how much pressure there is. Wouldn't you think that's enough water pressure? Because if you had enough water pressure coming on here, when you press these different buttons for the spray, it'll work if you have a lot of water pressure. If you don't have very much water pressure at all, if you have your faucet handle on low, let's say, that's probably why your shower sprayer is not working. But in this case, that's not the case, is it? There's something that's plugging this up. And so I'm going to get a pair of pliers and see if I can't pull that top bit off. It's got to come somehow.